You can perform a wide range of client-specific tests with the ActivForce device. I'm going to demonstrate a couple of tests that you might find really helpful in your practice. First up, the knee extension strength test. Now, with your patient in a seated position, take the belt and secure it around your patient's leg and around the ActivForce device, like this. Now, you position the device between the belt loop and a stationary object. Hit the start button and wait for the device to calibrate. Once it's calibrated, we're ready to begin. Instruct your patient to extend their knee against the belt loop and really give it maximum effort. And that's how it's done. Your knee extension strength test is complete. Another useful test is the shoulder external rotation test. With your patient seated, place the arm and elbow at 90 degrees. Externally rotate the shoulders to end range and place the device at the distal end of the forearm. Have your patient push at maximum effort against the device and hold the position until the op prompts the end of the test. Now let's test the range of motion of the knee flexion. With the patient prone, move the leg to 0 degrees of extension. Place the ActivForce above the heel and the back of the leg. Turn it on, wait for it to calibrate. Now take your patient's leg through full range flexion. And now you've done your flexion test. Last but not least, another test we found most commonly seen in practice is hip abduction. The one we're demonstrating is without the strap. With the patient sidelining, put the test leg up and place the hip in neutral abduction. Place the device by the knee. Instruct the patient to push against the device as hard as he can for the duration of the test. With ActivForce, it really is as simple as that.